Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to share your Amazon wishlist on Instagram on an Android device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, go ahead and open Amazon shopping app on your device. Okay, after that here you can click on profile icon at the bottom, then select your list here. Well, after that here you can select your list that you want to share on your Instagram story. Okay, and then click on three dots here and press invite to list. Then tap view only and then copy link here. Okay, and then open your Instagram application on your device. Then add a new story. Then here you can click this option. Then select link. Well, and then copy paste your link here. Okay, and then your Amazon wishlist is already shared to your Instagram story. Well, that's the tutorial on how to share your Amazon wishlist on Instagram on Android device. Don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel.